Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Daisy. Today I'm super excited because we're going to explore the new HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. This machine promises to make sublimation cups and tumblers much easier, whether you do it as a hobby or run a home-based business. In this video, I'll show you a full unboxing, then give my honest opinion and review, and finally, we'll do the real test on different types of tumblers to see how versatile it really is. The first thing we see when opening the box are the instruction manual, heat-resistant tape, 2 heat-resistant gloves, 2 mats of different thicknesses for adjusting pressure, and of course the HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. This is the Daisy White version, but you can also get it in bubble blue. I'll leave the link to the machine in the description if you would like to learn more or get one for yourself. What caught my attention most about the HTVRONT A200 is its versatility. From my experience, not all presses easily adapt to different cup styles. But with this one, I can work with straight tumblers as well as 40-ounce tumblers with handles, which are usually thinner at the bottom and wider at the top. I love that HTVRONT designed it this way because the machine can adapt using 2 types of heat plates, one for straight items and another for tumblers with handles. This gives me peace of mind knowing I can handle more types of orders without complications. In this other box comes the other heat plate. With this, we can work on tumblers with handles, the ones thinner at the bottom and slightly wider at the top, like 40-ounce tumblers. I love that HTVRONT even included a tumbler with a handle, so we can start testing immediately. It also comes with a special mat shaped for this type of tumbler, which makes the process much easier and ensure a perfect fit. We'll test all of this shortly. Here we have the machine with both heat plates, one for 40-ounce tumblers with handles and the one for straight tumblers like skinny tumblers or glass cups. The best part is that they are clearly labeled to avoid confusion and are super easy to swap in seconds, giving me the flexibility to switch between projects without complications. Of course, taking care if they're hot. That's why we use the heat resistant gloves included in the box. These are the tumblers I'll be personalizing with the new HTVRONT A200. First, I'll work on a skinny tumbler. I already have printed templates ready using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 with sublimation ink. I will also personalize a glass tumbler with the coffee design, and I want to try a mug to see how it turns out. Now we'll cut the templates with scissors or guillotine and wrap the tumblers, securing them with heat-resistant tape so the template doesn't move and there are no shadows. Stay with me because we're going to test the machine and see the results. If you want to learn more about creating sublimation prints, I invite you to check out my other videos where I also show you how to convert an Epson EcoTank printer for sublimation. Before wrapping the tumblers, we'll install the heat plate for straight tumblers, which is very easy as you can see. Now we'll preheat the press. For stainless steel or skinny tumblers, the recommended settings are 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 195 seconds with 100 pounds of pressure. If you want more details, the box included a QR code sheet that links to the full pressing table with temperature, time, and pressure for each material. Now that the templates are cut, we'll start wrapping the tumblers. It's important that the templates are tight and secured with heat tape. Some viewers tell me I use too much tape, but I think you can never have too much, as it ensures a firm hold and prevents shadows for perfect sublimation. I do this with all pieces. This one I trimmed a little on the edges so the design doesn't overlap. Something else I love is that the HTVRONT includes a roll of heat tape, so you can start immediately without buying extra accessories. Here is the tumbler with a handle. I will place the design on the bottom. I printed on a letter size sublimation paper, so I cut it into sections to wrap it around. If you have 13 by 19 sublimation sheets, you could do it in one piece, but I prefer sections, always securing with tape. Meanwhile, the press is heating up. Remember, pressing time and temperature vary by material. Stainless steel is different from glass or ceramic. Let's start with the skinny tumbler. The machine is preheated to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to use the HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. We'll use the 4 mm pad, which helps apply pressure evenly around the tumbler. Insert it, press the R button to start, and the press automatically closes and applies pressure quickly. It's very important to use the heat-resistant gloves when placing and removing the tumblers. I love that HTVRONT included a pair of quality gloves that protect our hands perfectly. The skinny tumbler is done. It's super hot, so we'll let it cool before removing the wrap. Meanwhile, we'll press the glass tumbler using the 2 mm pad. The temperature stays at 390 degrees Fahrenheit, but the time changes. 260 seconds at 100 pounds of pressure. The machine does all the work for us. Now we'll press the tumbler with a handle. First, we change the heat plate, still using gloves as it's hot. Swapping it is super easy. Install the handle tumbler plate securely, wrap the tumbler with the special shaped pad, and insert it into the press. 390 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 seconds, and 100 pounds of pressure. This makes pressing any tumbler shape or size effortless. Now that the first tumblers have cooled, we'll remove the wrap and reveal the designs. The skinny tumbler turned out beautiful. Vibrant colors, no shadows, very satisfied. The glass tumbler also looks amazing. On camera, it looks faint due to transparency, but in person, it's gorgeous. I even pour coffee with milk to show you how the design looks in use. Absolutely stunning. Finally, the tumbler with handle. It turned out super cute. I attached the handle using the screws included and a Phillips screwdriver, and it's ready. Here they are, all personalized tumblers thanks to the HTVRONT A200 Auto Tumbler Heat Press. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to learn more or get one for yourself. And that concludes our tour of the new HTVRONT A200. After unboxing, reviewing the accessories, testing its features, and trying different tumblers, skinny, glass, and handle types, I am genuinely impressed by its ease of use, versatility, and professional results. What I love most is how it lets you work efficiently with precise pressure and temperature, switching between tumbler types without wasting time. If you are a creator, entrepreneur, or simply love personalizing tumblers, this machine can definitely take your projects to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming tutorials and sublimation tool reviews. Thank you so much for visiting and see you next time.